say that life is a journey.
That's supposed to be my line. Why are you stealing it away?
But I'm a guest in your show.
But I'm the guest in Baroda. That's your city.
But भगवान
Okay,
होता है
fine.
मेहमान.
Please say my line. बोल दो.
नहीं आप बोलो आपका काम है.
As you can see, I have a very naughty and mischievous Irfan Pathan with me on the show today, and he's going to take me around Baroda and also probably give me a peek into his life that not all of us know. So you want to say the lines together?
Let's go. Let's do it.
Welcome to Follow the Star. This week, my journey starts from the town of Vadodara in Gujarat, where Indian cricketer Irfan Pathan chats with me about his life and passions. From Vadodara, I will be taking the National Expressway 1 to Ahmedabad, stopping at Anand on the way. The distance would be around 100 kilometers. Located on the banks of the Vishwamitra River, Vadodara, also known as Baroda, is the third largest city in Gujarat. Vadodara has a rich historical background tracing over 2000 years or more. This town also has a strong cricketing tradition and has its own Ranji Trophy team. Vadodara also happens to be the hometown of the Pathan brothers, both Indian cricketers, and I caught up with Irfan, the younger of the two, at the Motiba Cricket Ground, the place where he played cricket while growing up. You were only 19 when you did get into the Indian cricket team. How did it feel when you made it? The day you got to know, okay, I'm playing for India now.
I was sleeping when I came to know when the call came at home because I was playing the game, Ranji Trophy game next day, so I had to get up at 6:30 or something. I slept, and then as soon as I came to know that I got selected, it was amazing feeling. The whole family, was so happy that everyone was sleeping and then got up, and then I remember that night very, very clearly. Yeah, I can't describe that feeling, but I remember it very clearly.
So give me some inside stories that none of us know about the Indian cricket team.
The first time when I came to Indian team, I remember that I used to eat, even that lunch time in the match days, where you play 4-day cricket, 5-day cricket test match, then you need to make sure you need to have a light lunch. But I used to have a heavy lunch.
Biryani type lunch.
Yeah, like big. My plate used to be full. At that time, I remember we were playing in Pakistan. It was my second series, and it was in Lahore. So match used to start about 1:30, and about at 1:10, I had plate full of rice and chicken on top of it in my hand, and Sachin Paji came and said, "Batting hai na apna?" Because obviously I was the bowler, so I didn't have to go in the field at the start. I said, "Nahi, Paji, bowling hai." So he looked at my plate. "Oh, bowling hai." Then he left. Then I got the point that okay, I need to start eating light. I need to start being lighter.
So Irfan, what was the best match you've been part of in all your cricketing career?
Obviously, playing the first game, it was very special. But in terms of being greatest game I ever been part of, I think I would say Pakistan, the World Cup final, T20 World Cup final, 2007. I think that was the greatest game I ever been involved in, because we played against Pakistan, we won that game, and got man of the match as well.
Considering cricket is India's foremost religion and Irfan is an integral part of it, I am going to ask him for one more thing, or rather challenge him to. Will you bowl to me and see if you can get me out?
Oh my God, okay, I'll try. ये पसीना कम से कम 1 महीना पुराना है. So basically जहाँ पे बॉल जाए ना, जिस लाइन में, वहाँ पे पैर ले जाना है. पैर से नहीं, बैट से मार. ये बड़ा घटिया छक्का था, लेकिन फिर भी वेल डन.
Irfan then invited me to his house, and soon we were on our way in the stunner of a car, the Mercedes S500. The S-Class, with the 3 engineering priorities: intelligent drive, efficient technology, and essence of luxury, extends the boundaries of technology on many levels. This pursuit of the best is particularly noticeable in the interior. Whether it is the seats or the air conditioning, the controls or the design, the infotainment or even the comfort, this car is Mercedes-Benz flagship model and is an absolute dream to drive. So Irfan, tell me, do you like driving on highways?
Obviously, I love driving. One of the few hobbies I have, and I really enjoy it, especially on highways. Because luckily in Gujarat we have very good highways.
Yeah, I was going to tell you that because I've driven in Gujarat, and I think those are the best highways I've driven on so far, for sure.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, in some of the
Beautiful
some of the South Indian highways are pretty good too. But I think, being Gujarati, I'll proudly say that the
No,
highways
I
what we have.
completely agree with you, because I thought I drove my favorite highways were the south, but
Yeah.
after driving in Gujarat, I think
Yeah.
these have been by far the best roads ever.
Absolutely, and I love going to Ahmedabad from Baroda because that highway, and their highway is so nice, and we have few lanes as well, and Ahmedabad is my mother's hometown.
Okay.
So
you keep going there?
Yeah, I keep going there. I have one of the car, which is not Mercedes, I'm sorry, but which is convertible, and I really enjoy that, opening the rooftop and driving that in a good weather, especially.
On a highway, listening to
highway.
music with your friends is, I think, a perfect
Perfect
scene,
getaway.
yeah.
Absolutely.
But you do have a Mercedes, don't you?
Absolutely, and I love that. And majority of the time I drive that because it's a chauffeur-driven. It's self-driven car. It's a C-Class, and I really enjoy that car. It's very easy to drive, very easy to take anywhere.
Yeah, I know how it feels like because I've been driving these Mercs and they are crazy to drive. But have you driven the S-Class before?
I have driven, but not
do you like
regularly.
it?
I really like it. The interior is very nice, and it's obviously the engine. and
features.
The features. They're very good cars. Any Mercedes cars. I'm a big Mercedes fan because a lot of people are different brand fans, but Mercedes.
And that is just perfect for us. He's a huge Mercedes fan.
Yeah, it is, and because I like the way it's so light to drive, and a lot of other cars can be too heavy to drive, and I love being light on the wheels. That's what I really like, and so I really enjoy my